Euro dollar daily forecast August 6th, FXEmpire.com. Euro dollar absolutely exploded to the upside on Friday as the non-farm payroll number came out at a stronger than expected 165,000 out of the United States. So, of course, it got the risk on trade going full force for most traders out there. Of course, the unemployment rate did tick up to 8.3, and by the time it was all said and done, there really was a little bit of something for everybody in this report. But all things meant positive euro. And the reason this was true was because you had a situation where we added jobs, and of course, that's very bullish for the markets. Of course, we had a situation where unemployment ticked up, and that means the Fed may ease, and that puts a damper on the US dollar. The markets right now are very happy with the ECB and Mario Draghi with his threats of doing something, and as such, we have seen the euro gain quite a bit. However, we are starting to, and it is kind of interesting that we finished right at about 124, starting to hit a very serious resistance area, which we see going all the way up to the 127 handle, which means it's centered around 125, we believe, but which means the next 300 pips are going to be very difficult. Having said this, and knowing the propensity for European politicians to disappoint the markets, we think there's a real chance that we may see a little bit of continuation and then some type of telltale reversal sign like a shooting star. We see that, and we are going to be looking at daily 4-hour and even 1-hour charts if we get close to a handle, like perhaps 125. And the first shooting star that we see, or weak outside bearish candle, something to that effect, we are all over it because we know that the trend's down, and we've had nice bearish flags that have been very easy to identify, pointing us much lower than where we're at. Quite frankly, this looks like a great opportunity to sell euros from a higher price. As far as buying is concerned, we've got to clear 127 before we even consider it. So needless to say, that's probably not going to happen, at least in the next few sessions.